The design and function of all industrial systems and machines are documented in circuit diagrams. This is essential for installation, maintenance and repair. In electropneumatics and electrohydraulics, two circuit diagrams are used. One for the pneumatic or hydraulic part, and one for the electrical part. The function of this electropneumatic slide unit is simple. When the optical sensor signals that 5 packages are present, the piston extends. When it reaches the extended position, the valve is reversed and the piston retracts. As only one condition needs to be fulfilled for each action, the valve can be directly controlled by the signal element. The circuit diagram of a comparable pneumatic power part shows the double-acting cylinder and the 5-stroke two-way double solenoid valve. And this is the corresponding electrical circuit diagram. You can see two 24-volt circuits. To simplify the diagram, the circuit diagram does not show the voltage source, in this case the power supply unit. If push button S1 is pressed, coil Y1 is energized. This switches the valve and the cylinder extends. In its forward end position, the piston actuates the limit switch S2. This closes another circuit, energizing coil Y2, reversing the valve. The cylinder retracts. When the valve is directly controlled in this way, control circuit and power circuit are identical. This diagram shows indirect control of a valve via a relay. When in the first circuit contact S1 of the push button closes, the coil of relay K1 is energized and contact K1 in circuit 3 is closed. Coil Y1 is energized and actuates the valve. The cylinder extends and actuates limit switch S2 when it reaches its forward end position. Coil Y2 is energized and reverses the valve. The cylinder retracts. If an optical indication is desired that the signal for extension has been given, a second normally open contact of the relay is used. The indicator lamp is switched on by the second contact K1. The individual elements are given designations for identification. This creates a link between the electrical circuit diagram and the pneumatic or hydraulic circuit diagram. By the way, the positions of sensors are indicated by a line. As you can see, the circuit diagram is divided into two parts. The left part shows the circuits for signal input, and the circuits on the right show the signal output and the effect. Using this principle, the function and sequence of even the most complex systems can be documented clearly and unambiguously. This is a hydraulic device that operates according to this principle. The larger dimensions involved mean larger solenoid valves and switching of larger currents. This requires indirect control of the valves via relays.